hat.
Yeah, I like his little hat.
His little hat.
Nepal.
I hate this place.
Nepal.
Oh,
Actually, you know what? Fucking Lucio time.
You know what? Yeah, I guess Cassie again.
I'm gonna try out Genji.
I'll
Try
try.
out little Genji.
I'll pick
We
May
need
on the
Frank.
next one.
One of the other heroes. Go
Oh,
on.
I have my.
Also,
I have.
don't
my
forget, you
Frank.
can switch any time when you die if you press H.
Fine, I'll switch. Gosh.
Heroes. It's like
I don't like Magilla Gorilla. I don't like him.
Why are you picking him?
Because you told me to change it. Gosh.
Okay.
That.
Fine. I want to play as the cowboy man. I want to play Clint Eastwood.
God.
Gosh. Tater tots.
I am Speed.
Ka-chow.
I am never not stop moving.
So apparently you need a business profile now to use Ko-fi.
What?
Yeah. Apparently to set up a Ko-fi account, you need a business profile on PayPal.
I am not going to be the first to die again. I can promise you that much.
That is bullshit for Kofi. What the fuck?
Ow! Fucking Roadhog.
Yeah.
Hey, that
King
Roadhog.
Sombra? You removed my healies, I think. No shit.
How do you hack a cowboy?
Yes.
What?
Damn, 3 of them took out long.
I'm
Cowboys
saying.
apparently have smartphones now.
Yeah, I'm like, okay, I got hacked, but how does that? He's not.
I'm okay.
That sums it up
you.
real nice. Yeah, that's exactly how I feel. You nailed it.
Alright, we gotta kill Zenyatta. This guy's a cunt. I fucking hate Zenyatta. Fuck Zenyatta. Me and my homies hate Zenyatta. Fuck Zenyatta. Kill fucking Zenyatta.
Damn you, Sombra.
Thank you. Now kill the others.
I tried to line them up.
Also,
I had a
don't die.
perfect shot when they were all there, but 2 of them got out of the
I
way.
mean, you got Zenyatta. He was being a real cunt, so now we can do the
This
objective.
Tracer is a fucking idiot.
They don't know how to rewind neither, so. That was close.
This would all make for a fantastic
And they're
animation.
switching to Roadhog. Yeah, they're kind of dumb.
Whoa, shit. No, Zenyatta.
Oh no! 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 Oh. We're fine. Get over here, Ari. You're dying, and I don't appreciate you dying while I'm standing here as a medic. So do me a favor and fucking live. I hope you live in a fire.
Medic!
I hope you fucking live.
I got my.
You know,
ultimate ready.
it's like the opposite. You know, saying I hope you die. It's just like
I hope you
fucking live.
I hope you fucking live.
I hope you fucking live a happy fucking life.
Oh, thank you.
You're fucking welcome.
You're fucking welcome,
Have a-
bitch.
Aggressive positivity.
Yeah,
I hope
exactly.
you have a wonderful life.
Fuck you. I love you.
I fucking love you too, man. The best.
Right, I should keep it down. I'm getting a little too energetic.
Look, how do you hack
Oh.
cowboy?
Fucking.
Zonk.
Oh,
Oh, well, okay, Lucio. Wait, actually, I'm gonna keep to Lucio because there's a chance we'll get the good map. And if we get the good map, I will be fucking a god.
I'll try Soldier 76 just to mix things up.
Yeah, he's easy.
Yeah.
And I think you were
Oh,
good.
no,
with it.
let me,
Fuck, it's in the map.
let me-
Alright, fine. I'm not gonna be
I'm
Lucio.
gonna be Tracer. That bucket, I'm gonna be.
Where's Soldier 76?
Yeah, we'll go with that.
So where's soldiers 71? No, where's soldiers 1 through 75?
Where's the other 75 soldiers?
Yeah, where are they, huh?
Technically, Reaper is number 74.
Yeah, there's gotta be
Ah.
75 other ones.
Wee.
Boom.
So remember, you've got to sprint Ari with shift, and also your right click lets you fire rockets.
So he's that dude
And if
from
you press
Paladins.
E, you can drop. Yeah, you're literally Victor, except you have a healing thing when you press E,
Okay.
I love Stone. It's good.
and you're already dying. Live. Oh,
Die!
well, I tried.
I won't all die, you bitch. Darn. What the? No.
Fuck,
They
this
have
is
a
bad. I'm the only one.
Oh my god. Oh no.
Be nice if the fucking tank knew how to. Oh, they do know how to heal themselves. Never mind.
It's got a really bad cooldown now, Max.
Yeah, it's not that bad. It's still equally. It's still reasonable as it's always been. That was a funny little jump she made. Oh, Sombra, you bitch.
There we go.
I will find you. And I also drug fucking drug junkie.
You keep him away from the point.
I think I'm gonna let him come to the point so he can say hi to you.
Gross. I don't want his cum on the point.
I'm just gonna say
No.
I work in the business, okay?
Look at that roadhog over here.
Oh, what's wrong? You can't.
Oh my God.
They're over here, huh?
They'll never get past our line of defense.
Right?
I'm kind of waiting for us to jinx that.
Oh my god.
Come on. There you go.
For the time
Okay.
being, wait. For the time being, look at me behind you. Who wants
So-
tea?
I'll
Behind
take
you.
some. Yeah, I'll take some
That's
tea.
not
yeah.
me. Behind you.
There's many
Here.
people behind me. Where
the-
are I?
Tea.
Oh, there you go. Yeah. I'll take some tea. You got any crumpets? Tea and crumpets.
Ah! Yeah, go fuck yourself.
Oh, bad player.
Oh, that's bad.
Oh,
Oh, I didn't get hacked.
I didn't even see them. I was busy focusing on a head. I thought they were more up the other path. My bad.
I got my sticky ready.
What's Soldier 76's ult? So I know what
You
to do.
basically
It's aimbot.
aimbot. So basically, what that means is you be able to like lock on enemies and you can just shoot without aiming them at them.
And he's ready. All right, I will save it for the.
We're gonna win this anyway.
I want to do a little dance.
Yeah.
I don't know how that Egyptian song goes.
1-1. Sudden death.
You see, there's one, but where's the loss? Alright, back to Lucio. Now that it's the map,
1-1.
the best map,
This could be our best mission yet.
best mission yet.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Oh, you got the same skin I do. The jazz musician one for Lucio. Nice.
Let's go.
Soldier 76's ult is aimbot. Also just called the
Yeah.
griefer.
Oh, his ultimate demolishes.
They call me the griefer.
I'm okay.
Big bitch out of here. Big bitch out of here.
Oh, fucking. Who the fuck knocked me back? Go fuck yourself. Fuck you, Zenyatta!
Get out of here, Samba. Get out of here, Samba. Get out of here.
I saw her get flung out.
Bye, Samba. Bye, Samba.
Nice.
She offed herself.
Amazing.
Oh, that's a new melee sound from Lucio. He went, BAH!
Bah.
Uh,
There it is. BAH!
bye.
I'm gonna just chill right here.
Same.
Oh,
Get that bitch out. Again.
I'm not even launching them to their death. I'm fucking blasting them with the fucking shot. Killing
Yeah,
them somehow. I just want to launch them to their deaths. I don't want to fucking do that. But whatever. It's fine.
5-player kill streak. Yeah.
nice. Hi there.
Hi there.
There's your Fun Day voice for the webcomic. Oh. Here they are.
Oh, here they come. Here they come.
Hold the line.
Oh.
Don't dig too deep.
Bitch.
Bye-bye, Junkrat.
Jesus.
Bye-bye, Sombra. Oh, you bitch! She survived.
What?
She fucking survived? What?
She
Yeah, I
teleported out of
knocked her
there.
in
Got
that
it.
hole, and I saw that. I'm like, what?
You fucking bitch. No one escapes the pit.
'93.
Damn!
Take him out. Take him out. Take him. I got my sticky ready. Got my sticky ready.
It's fucking
10
Sombra.
player kill streak.
It's like cheating death right here. Alright, I really hope I got that. That would be nice if I got the fucking play of the game just from doing that stupid shit.
You probably did, knowing this game.
Nah, I don't think I did. We'll see. Never mind!
You did? Yep. I knew it.
Let's see how dumb this is. Yeah, this is the one where I just kill everyone without even knocking them to their death. Watch.
Wow.
Wait, oh no, this isn't it. Is it?
Nice. Yeah, that's the one.
And
Nice.
if you on the side, I knocked one with a flail and sent it into the hole with it. So there was 3 of them.
A classic execution.
Amazing, dude.
Nice.
Alright, cool. Games
Oh,
won.
apparently you need to connect PayPal to Ko-fi, you have to have a PayPal account set to it.
It should already work for me then, right? Because I got mine all set up to go.
Yeah, so I think mine's already ready too. It's like I need to actually mention that, so like in case anybody ever wants to give me a tip or something from the various websites I'm on. Even if they don't want to buy a commission, $5 is just still $5.
Yeah. Look at all the avatars. Oh.
There we go.
Circuit Royal. I'm gonna stick to Soldier 76.
We got a number 1 Circuit Royale. Yep, Overwatch, we're about to get down. Get down.
Get
you know
down,
what?
get down.
You know what?
get
I
down,
feel a
get-
little Cassidy going on.
I'm gonna go for
Oh,
Lick
hey, it's Jonesy! Jonesy!
Ligma.
It's fucking Jonesy!
Oh my god.
Soldier 76 is fucking Jonesy! And who knew that there was a Fortnite and Overwatch crossover?
No.
Oh. Dude, okay, fine. You're a Capcom fan, just like me. Okay, he's Captain Commando,
Oh, you decide to go with a music combo, I see.
Hell yeah.
the Maestro.
I'm so glad I have this skin.
They call me the Maestro.
I'm happy I got this skin, even though it's one of her base ones. Ari, you know what this is a reference to, correct? Turn around, they're staring at the Hanzo.
No, I don't know the reference to that one. Oh, wait, no. David Bowie.
Yep.
Took me a moment.
Ziggy Stardust.
There you go.
The other one's the fucking Goblin King.
Ground control to Major
Oh,
Tom.
it's over here.
Ground control.
Or, as I saw last night, it's just like,
Move on again. Fuck
how
that.
that one song goes.
Oh, the light years.
Where's
So,
my
yeah.
healing?
I am getting murdered, so I can't
You're
heal.
getting murdered. I'm getting murdered.
Oh, 3 kills. Oh,
Nice.
let's go.
Anime death sound.
Yeah, you saw that I bitch slapped his ass.
Yeah,
Okay,
just- just
That
was
song
like,
from
no!
Lightyear is actually really good.
This is probably my favorite payload here.
Da, 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 da. Too bad the movie didn't do so well. It looks so
Which
good.
moving?
Lightyear.
It's a shame. Like it just.
Like-
I think it's something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It
Apparently, it's
suffered
something.
from the fact that people didn't really understand it, and it had some pacing problems.
It did have some writing plot holes.
They really shouldn't have tied it into being the movie that Andy would have watched.
Yeah, they shouldn't have advertised it as that, or they should have advertised it as the movie that Andy's taking his kids to. That would have been
Yeah,
better.
that would have made more sense.
Like, saying that it
Holy
was
fuck.
a remake of the film that Andy had
Let's
seen as a kid.
fucking go.
Yeah, one of my biggest complaints is it doesn't feel like a movie from 1995. A Buzz
No,
Lightyear,
it doesn't.
a Buzz Lightyear movie in '95 would star like fucking Nicolas Cage as Buzz Lightyear. All right.
It would have been just that
be,
one cartoon series.
Yeah, it would be
love
the cartoon.
Buzz.
Yeah, with Mira Nova.
That's what the cartoon was advertised as, actually.
Yeah, that's right. Hit me, bitches! But don't hit me too hard. I'm actually dying.
Listen, no! No, no, no.
Yes.
Remember,
pull
there's
your-
only one of us is a healer.
Oh, it's a
So
random.
I'm having a little
Random
trouble
section
keeping
of-
up with all of this.
Head universe, I'm sick for me!
Whee!
Genji, can you fucking die? You're on 1 HP!
Wow.
Thank you for killing that
Fucking-
brig.
Dragon Ball looking
There's a
ass
guy.
fucking...
There's a guy over here.
Saying fucking power level 9000 looking ass fucking big spiky head fucking...
My old thing is like, you want healing, you
anime
stay near the
protagonist.
objective, damn it.
Wow, I'm playing as Soldier 76, Jonesy, and Victor. What is this? What is this? A crossover episode?
Definitely, definitely.
Certainly feels like it.
Yeet! Oh, that was sad. Oh no.
Alright. Nora, star, don't do it!
I love it when I hurt Mercy and stuff. Aww. I punched her in the fucking. I just socked her in the jaw.
Alright. Who's gonna get high nooned? Who's gonna get high nooned? Oh,
Right now,
oh.
no one, because no one's alive. Except
I
for
got my sight on Reaper.
Reaper. Reaper, can you die?
Damn.
Got him.
Bitch.
Just like old times.
Bye, Genji.
No, isn't this a lovely little hotel casino with a
I'm a
bunch
bee.
of...
Yeah, this is actually very nice.
I think it's a casino, actually. Very cool, frankly.
This is a casino.
Then who the fuck has a casino design like this? Then again, it's probably a hotel as well, thinking about it.
All right, guys, it's the payday
Well,
crew.
I see-
We gotta rob this
Hotel.
Overwatch casino, guys.
Oh. GG's, let's go.
Yeah, boy. Boy.
I think I might have got play of the game there.
It's like the toast victory pose.
Aw,
choice
never mind.
ever.
Oh,
Wow.
He was actually a decent Hanzo, though. That will give him that. He
Yeah.
stayed on the objective
Oh, he
most
just
of the
spawned
time and didn't
cat.
fuck around.
Boring.
I
Yeah, he did
mean,
play around. I'll give him that.
wait, are you
Still,
saying he spawned
boring.
camp?
He shot the ult into spawn.
Oh, I mean that
Most
makes
boring play a
sense.
hunter can do.
Oh.
Yeah, but it's just John. There's so many other ways you can kill someone. Personally, I like to kill them by bringing the string of the bow and strangling them with like it's a fiber wire. And then making their neck snap.
So many neat avatars that I have here, but there's nothing. Oh,
Next level, I can finally stop focusing on getting the Tracer play of the game intro. I want to get that so bad. You're going to Brazil!
Brazil.
I love
who
it.
don't-
I love
who don't
those
wanna be
memes.
Brazil!
Captain Commando.
I'm going with fucking Cassie.
It's me, Victor, from Fortnite. No, it's me, Jonesy, from the hit game Paladins.
Jonker Quain.
In this world, pacifism is foolish. What makes you think I am a pacifist? You sure talk like one.
Wow, racist.
Yeah, what a racist.
No, I'm just fixing your hairdo. Let's get a little bit off.
Hi!
Let's get a little bit off the top. There we go. Okay, you are now bald.
Hey, Ari. Hey, Ari, look at me.
Hmm?
Stand back. Stand back.
Alright, Cyberarm, don't fail us, you
No.
hear?
This is a knife.
This is a knife. Cold.
Yeah,
this-
this is the fucking
and this
knife
is my-
that Jonker Quain made.
And this is my fist.
It'll give you fucking tetanus. I don't even know if I'm speaking Australian at this point.
Oh, here they go.
Have some tetanus from the Jonker Quain. But always me.
Because it's cheap rat, and that's what he does.
That jump
Shit,
rat?
that got me. It was fucking Zen Kunyata.
Oh no, they have.
Nice way to call me that.
What? Oh, not you. I meant the other Kunyata. You're the good. You're the good Yata.
Oh shit, I almost died.
Hey,
Well,
look,
remember-
I have something to share with you guys. Look.
What's up? What power emanates?
Pete's.
Yeah, sure does. The power of pizza.
I just love her reaction to it. She's like,
Oh, I love the music from this.
Brazil.
Oh, that's
Raw.
pretty nice. Oh.
Yeah!
What
You
the
shrunk, bitch. I'm dead again.
I was fucking around, though, so that is my fault that happened there.
I don't even know what the fuck Amora's doing.
Get rid of this snake.
Come here. I'll fucking scream at you to heal you. Just go, ah!
Go
And you're like,
ah!
oh, suddenly my giant fucking cut that's like as deep as my fucking body itself suddenly healed. Thank you for giving me these very violent words.
Ah!
I love how the place still kind of looks like a slum.
Move! Oh, you fucking. Yo, you trying to hyper me? Fuck off.
I'm on my way.
Here we go.
Hi.
I'm rolling.
Oh, they're all here. Fuck.
I'm getting close to high noon. Let's take him to the wasteland.
Oh shit! I was...
Oh, we're okay.
Yeah, well, okay, we got this.
You know, I'm critical. I was low in health for like fucking 10 minutes straight.
14-player kill streak. Not bad.
I'm upset.
Somebody revive me.
No, you stay dead like I do.
Fine.
Stay in hell with me. I'm not giving you a choice.
Oh, I don't want to be with you.
I didn't ask. Stay in hell with me.
At least take me out to dinner first.
No. There is no dinner in hell. Only fire and brimstone.
Yeah, there's dinner there. It's really bad.
How fucking dare you shoot the arcade cabinets?
Oh, son of a bitch!
Ah, I got fucked cunyat.
All set to go. Hit the ultimate. Got wrecked. Damn it.
I'm okay.
Where's my
I'm not
healer?
okay.
Oh my
I'm
god.
running.
Fucking iceberg.
Run.
Get over here, Get over here, Junkrat. Ow!
How I respawn and she's like, that is it.
I couldn't hit the E button in time. Shit. So I was too busy.
Well, time to roll my way back again.
Yeah, we gotta run all the way back.
I gotta roll my
Can't
way
we just
back.
take the car? No, we can't.
Death from above. Wait, wait.
Come on, yes.
Let's go!
If we let them
Fucking
live.
get away from me. God,
There we go. Shot him for you.
I shanked her as well.
Ugh.
Okay.
Nice.
Fucking killer. Play of the game. Unheard of.
I'm happy with the play of the games I got yesterday. I'm
Headshot,
satisfied.
headshot, and the freaking saving everybody from Junkrat exploding in the middle of the team.
Player kill streak. Damn.
Nice.
Progress. That's what I like. Progress. Yes.
Progress. Max ASMR. Those fucking sweats and scrimmers. I fucking hate them. The item store is full of garbage. Again, it's another Marvel skin.
Oh, suck my dick. Wait, no. One take. Oh,
I'm recording, you know.
I'm looking at the bullshit that they've done, Max. You remember how you could earn the Halloween skins? They're now selling them. You know, the ones that we previously
Yes,
had?
I
And it
know.
will set you back $25.
It's not pretty. I honestly hope that they realize.
Oh, here's the
that.
thing. Mine
Fuck
is
up.
on reduction, too. Because I've already got the other parts in the bundle. So I'm guessing it's about 50.
I mean, the reductions aren't that bad, but yeah, it's still not okay.
Alright, I'll take a crack
I'm
at
gonna
this.
try out. I never
Time to be
played
a
it.
proper healer.
I haven't played it yet, so.
I'll try my
Are
best.
you
So
twice
get
done?
in aggressive, you said, right?
By the way, Steven,
It's aggressive, my friend!
these matches, are they counting towards on you unlocking heroes?
I have no idea.
I don't think they do, Max. I think you have to give them money.
No. Basically, free-to-play players, in order to unlock heroes, they just have to play matches. That's all it is.
I doubt that, because it's
No.
Activision.
Then
Well, it
it literally is. That's literally how that
Reporting
works.
that you have to give them money.
Well, I haven't seen any proof on that.
They
So
got the
basically,
articles
from what
on
I
Twitter.
saw, for what I've seen, I had to play a certain amount of matches to unlock a certain hero.
Exactly. I'm wondering if that counts towards here though. Oh, I probably should heal people, shouldn't I? Protect
Yes.
me, Ari! I'm dying! I can't heal you if you don't protect me!
There you go.
That was for Ukraine.
I heal
How
the
did that
man
go? Pretty good?
kill you.
Alright. I must learn the ways of the Reinhardt main.
It is to be
Yeah,
aggressive.
you must take the
Angry.
lines and shove them in.
As I'm writing notes, beat the shit out of them. Okay, got it.
He's angry. He's big and angry.
Remember.
Act like they kick you in the act like they kicked you in the nuts and beat the shit out of them.
Yes.
Ow.
Whoa! How did she already get her thing?
Oh!
Watch out for Zarya. She's already on max charge somehow.
Come on.
Oh,
Go,
oh,
go, go,
take
go,
it
go.
long.
Here, have
Heroes
dynamite.
die!
Have some dynamite, bitch.
I need to travel all the way back.
She's almost dead! Get her!
Fuck.
I love how I just daintily like floated down while I died.
Damn it.
Oh, that's why. She's got a freaking Junkrat keeping her safe. Shit!
Come on. I got my ult ready. They seem to be grouped up. Maybe I can hit them with
A
it.
little more pepper.
Problem is they'll shoot you before you can even get a chance.
Oh, I'm by myself. No.
I'm gone. Gone. Ah!
Fuck. Where's my healer?
Dead.
Alright, go in there and fuck them up. Or just fucking die. That's also an option.
Yeah.
Allah!
To be fair, was trapped in that corner.
Dynamite.
Fall back. I've got healings here.
Oh, thank you.
On my way.
Whoa!
Oh, fucking that was tragic.
Oh, the fucking
Run
heals.
Run away!
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, let's try. Dynamite!
Fuck, I cannot play Reinhardt. I'm just not a Reinhardt guy.
Live! Oh, I tried.
I need advice. What do I do, man?
Well, right now, with this type of loadout, you choose a different tank, because Reinhardt will not win against a Junkrat. Junkrat can one-shot him.
Okay.
Because
Alright.
Reinhardt's most of his health is armor, and Junkrat's fucking bombs do 80% damage to armor.
Right. Alright then.
So you die. That's the problem.
Heroes died. Go in. I got healing on you.
Alright.
Dynamite!
Just hang on.
Bob, help me! Help me, Bob.
Zaya's down.
Thank you, Bob.
Junkrat's weak.
There we
Hey,
go.
Bob.
Right, where are you? I've got a little bullet with your name on it.
Stay
Don't
close.
go out on your own.
Yeah, because they will
We're
come back.
playing Mercy. They've nerfed her pistol to the dirt.
Yeah,
try me.
we need to stay back, guys.
I'm a battle medic.
Max, you're not a battle medic. Blizzard does not want people playing battle medic. That's why
I can only hold them for so long,
I
guys.
will meme.
The gunman.
I will meme and I will shoot. And also heal. And now I'll shoot. Oh, hang on.
Revive me. Yes.
You're fine. Live. That was a mistake that I can fix.
Dynamite!
I can't fix
Revive.
that. I can't revive you again. I was on cooldown.
Damn it. We're at the last part. Come on. Turn it around.
Fucking
Yep, that glitch is still happening with Hanzo, and that pisses me off. Blizzard has never fixed that. It was a bug that hackers would use all the time. His arrows can shoot through walls.
Oh, we had it so close.
To be fair, it doesn't help that either the Widow is kind of standing and not on the objective at all. I mean, I know she's
I already knew we were going to lose this match the minute they chose Widow.
Oh, jeez.
It's
You know
why
what
I
Widow
had.
you.
How did I do that
fucking
one? Probably pretty
worthless
bad.
as a character.
How did I do that?
Even in the hands of somebody good, she's useless.
Switch heroes, press H.
All right, so Reinhardt not a good idea.
Oh.
Okay, what would you recommend?
Why not do,
Go with whatever you want.
you pick whatever you want, but I'm saying that Reinhardt's at a distinct disadvantage here.
By the
Okay.
way, you've got a new thing with Winston. If you hold right click, you can charge up like a little bolt of electricity that does damage.
Okay, cool. I'll keep that in mind. And I can
Good
bounce.
if you want to like shoot them from a distance. Also, your Eve drops a shield to everybody, so use
That's
that.
there we go. That might actually help this one if I could time it just. Do I need to be up close with Winston's gun?
Yes, he
it's to the
is
left
kind
click,
of an
yes.
up close.
And your ultimate is you get very fucking angry and you have a lot of health and you can just beat the shit out of people.
Go, go, go.
Cover that ass.
Remember, guys, don't fall in the circle.
I'm a dynamite.
Actually, falling in the circle in this one's a good idea.
Okay, then.
Because there's a healing kit down there.
Fucking
Oh,
hell.
fuck me.
I'm coming back.
Oh, I almost killed someone. Almost.
Monkey.
Monkey man. Ooga booga.
Ooga booga.
Magilla gorilla.
Here they come.
Dynamite!
Your shield went through the hole.
I hate this loading.
Okay, they're shooting at me. That's bad. Heroes die.
Oh. Have dynamite.
Shit.
I'm pouring all the healing juices into you.
That sounds so wrong.
Nick,
Yeah.
take it as you will. Okay, the healing juices were not enough, and I can't revive it.
Oh god.
I was on 1 HP. That was terrifying.
I'm gonna
Also,
try a
the
different
Widow
hero.
is
I'm gonna
just
try a different hero.
very useless. They
But
haven't even
I'm
landed
fine.
headshots.
I'm gonna try
I
this
know
guy.
it. I'm Cassie time.
He
So
is a
Doom Fist
very
is a
hard
little
one.
tricky. So right click lets you punch, left click lets you shoot, and also your E lets you shield yourself. If you shield yourself, your punch will be stronger. Left shift lets you lunge at people.
This widow is useless.
Try my best. I
Damn it.
tried my best.
Sorry for switching heroes. I'm
God
trying-
damn it! Fucking
It's fine,
Junkrat!
experiment. It's not even the Junkrat, it's the fucking Zaya.
Alright.
I've got so much healing points under my belt. Like, goddamn. This Widow is just not helpful at all.
What is the widow doing?
Sniping,
Being
but
an
it's not very
asshole.
well.
That's what they're doing. They're in the wrong place to be using that character. She doesn't work on a map like this.
Oh my god.
I mean,
And there I
rough.
go, getting one shot again.
You're fine, get up.
There's fucking bombs everywhere.
I don't think I could do Winston. Okay, let's try.
Try
Ow!
Wrecking Ball, he's pretty good.
Okay.
Basically, with Wrecking Ball, you've got a minigun.
Damn it.
Wow.
Never mind.
Damn it. Alright. Sorry about that. I feel like I let
You're
you guys.
fine.
No.
It's not your fault. It was like a mixture of the enemies and also the Widow. Bruh. Imagine getting to play the game and still not fucking winning. Lissy. Okay, headshot. Two headshots. Well, I could do way better than that, bruh.
Bruh.
You know what? Out of spite, I'm gonna be Widowmaker next round, and I will fucking
Oh,
show you how to play
please.
Widow. I will
Alright.
show you